was on my way to get a vasectomy this morning when suddenly my truck did not want to start. And I thought, is this a sign from God or what in the world is going on? So I popped open the hood and immediately noticed the battery terminals corroded and broken in half like the lot of banned TikTok. And since I already knew something like this was gonna happen, was already prepared with a new set of terminals inside of the glove box. However, this DIY is not hard. The first step is to disconnect the battery, starting with the negative terminal first to make sure we don't accidentally short circuit anything. And with the battery fully disconnected, the second step is to start removing the old terminals by snipping them off with cable cutters. But once they're off the cables, the third step is to attach the new terminals, making sure they're crimped down tighter than my nuts are gonna be later this afternoon. And this step right here is the most crucial because a secure connection could save you from being stranded in the middle of nowhere. But with that out of the way, the final step is to connect the new terminals to the post, starting with the positive one this time to again prevent an accidental shortage. But with both terminals on there snug like a bug, the moment of truth is turning the key on to see if it starts, which it does. So wish me luck as I go to the clinic to become sterile, because at the end of the day, whether it's fixing a truck or making a personal decision, preparation and taking things step by step makes all the difference.